Amazon. I literally ordered it like 2 days ago. And these look pretty funny, to be honest. But apparently they should give me curls. I have to blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna put these in and see if they will give me heatless curls that actually look like, you know, I would use like flat iron or curling iron to make them. So we'll test it out and I will share my honest opinion. This was pretty cheap, so I'm like, we'll see if it works. If not, it was like 12 bucks, so it's not bad. But I'm curious to see. So let's do it. Okay, so I just blow dry my hair, so it's a little crazy because usually I try to blow dry it right after I wash it, like maybe 2-5 minutes after it sits in the towel, but this time I had a lot of things to do in the morning and I'm like an hour, 2 hours late. But I'm gonna put these pink curlers in, and by the way, every time I blow dry my hair or use heat, I always use this heat protecting spray, and I'm actually surprised how much I still have like that much, which is incredible because I used not every single day, every 2 days, but yeah. And I love this stuff. It works amazingly. What you need to do, basically, you put your curler here and you just like roll your hair around it. It's my first time trying it out, so I know what I did wrong. Okay, it has to be closer to the roots, and I'll do it away from my face, the curl. I think it's gonna look better. I'll leave the end and just have to kind of like, okay, first done. There's a lot of these curlers here, like this is for like few people. Oh, or very long hair. So anyhow, let's try another side. And again, I need to finally, like, I don't know, I need to find like a better mirror. So I'm done. As you can see, I look pretty funny. And now I'm just gonna let it sit for like 10 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and I didn't even heat them up. I just let it sit. So we will see if it actually worked. Let's start with this one. I mean, it's curled. I'm kind of impressed. I mean, it doesn't look, you know, amazing, like, you know, flat iron curls. But let's see. Maybe you shouldn't put them so tightly. You know what? Next time I'm just gonna keep it for 10 minutes because this is pretty, like, crazy how curled it got. Like, what? Yeah. I think my hair needs like less minutes because I want waves. To be honest, I didn't even want curls. I wanted like waves. And my hair likes to get curly. So I mean, I gotta say, like, it definitely works. It's not exactly okay. I got it on, and I've used 12 curlers in total for my hair. This is how it looks. Of course, I'm gonna like brush it out first with my oh. are curls, like seriously. I'm gonna brush it out with my hands first. There is volume. So this is the final result. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna test this out a little bit more, and I think next time what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna make these curls too tight. Like I'm gonna kind of loop the hair around the curler less than I did this time, because it's just too intense for me. But I guess it's a cute look. So yeah.